Okay, so you're going to be doing a compare and contrast activity with some information from Water Sky, which I'd already done a read aloud for, and you're going to need to also utilize Blizzard Alert. So this is on page 10 of your packet if you were wanting to follow along. If not, I wanted to do a read aloud for you here. So this is called Blizzard Alert. Paragraph 1. Blizzards are severe winter storms. They can cover whole towns in a blanket of white snow. Blizzards have high winds, below freezing temperatures, and blinding snowfall. Some can last several days. Depending on its size and duration, a blizzard can even affect several states. One of the worst cases in U.S. history was the Great Blizzard of 1888. On March 11th and March 12th of that year, a brutal winter storm hit the Northeast. It dumped 100 to 127 centimeters, which is 40 to 50 inches of snow on 4 states. As a result, more than 400 people died in Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New York. Huge snowdrifts buried houses and trains. 200 ships also sank at sea, covered by snow and tossed by fierce winds. At that time, people did not have any way to know how severe a storm could be. Since then, science has come a long way. Today, we can use computers and satellite images to predict where a storm will go. We can also use weather data to estimate how long a storm will last and how powerful it will be. No one will ever be certain of a storm's course. Severe weather cannot be stopped, but planning for these events is crucial. For instance, staying indoors during blizzards is recommended. Also, planning for proper snow and ice removal in these emergencies can save lives.